জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়
Jeet. Jeet, what are you doing? Come here. But
Listen, Jeep, do not try to threaten me. Do you understand? Rest assured with the fact that Dripto is alive. If you dare to cross a line, remember that you people will be the ones responsible for Dripto's death. Do remember what I said?
Oh Lord, Deepto seems to have fallen into the hands of a dangerous woman. Had Nayan been here, she wouldn't have let any of this happen.
I cannot seem to understand anything. What is happening? Jasmine seems to have brainwashed Deepu. I wish Nayan had been here with us. Why are we unable to get information on Nayan's whereabouts?
What happened? Why did you stop talking after mentioning the police?
What happened, dear? Were you able to see something?
Nayan, why are you not speaking? Listen, the thing that you said just now is quite serious. Please try to understand. Did you saw something about the death of this little girl's mother?
Tell me, dear, your body's shaking out of fear. You're not letting go of this little girl, but why are you not speaking? Tell me, dear, were you able to foresee whether or not this girl would be able to speak again? Tell us.
Yes,
Please. What happened? Please.
All of you seem to have many questions. But why is the one who brought up the initial question silent? Where is he? Where is the father of this little girl? I wonder if he is no longer interested in knowing whether or not his daughter will be able to speak again.
Yes, Holy Mother. Even I want to know. What did you see?
Then why were you silent all this while?
No, I mean, I was silent because everyone else was talking. Holy Mother, but I did not understand what you said. The police, you were saying, what will my daughter say to the police, Mom?
Don't you understand what she will say to the police? All right then. I will elaborate. Your wife did not kill herself.
No. You are not telling the truth. She died by hanging herself. I have proof of that as well.
Do you know about the local proverb? The thief's mind is stupid. Why did you talk about having proof? Because you out of everyone know that the proof is fake. Is it false? Yes, Guruma. This man has killed his wife himself.
No. What are you saying? You are lying. It is not the truth.
Wow. Until now, you were totally invested in me forcing your daughter's future. Since I exposed you, you claim my knowledge is false, is it? I did not see anything but the fact. Lordess Vishalakshi did not make me see anything but the absolute truth.
But
Keep quiet. Not another word. You have killed your wife with your own hands, I know. Your wife had fallen at your feet, cried and begged for her life. But that was not enough to persuade the mind of a monster like you. You pressed the knot to her neck until her very last breath. You did not let her move. You did not let her live. And your daughter witnessed the horrific episode. She was frightened. She was unable to speak. Your daughter lost her speech due to immense fear.
Sanjukta, what is it that you're thinking?
You will have to go somewhere, Vicky.
Where?
At the morgue.
Morgue? What do you mean? Why?
You need to find a corpse of a girl who died by drowning in water.
I cannot seem to understand what you're saying.
How will you understand if you do not stop laying down? Don't think about Jasmine and do what I've asked you to do. We have to prove that Nayan is dead.
So you want to declare Nayan dead? Even if that is arranged, what will I do at the morgue?
We have to buy a body that has not been claimed yet, Vicky. And when someone drowns in water, their face can barely be recognized. Then we will have to prove that the corpse is none other than Nayan herself. Do you understand? Only then will the family assets be transferred to Deepu as the sole heir of Nayan and Topobrata.
Yes, but how shall we benefit if the assets are transferred to Dripto?
You need not worry about that. Leave it to me. Let me ideate a plan and do as I say. Drop me at home and go to the morgue.
Hey Sanjukta, you come with me too. What if I am unable to handle the situation on my own? That's why I was asking.
You must handle it. There is no other way. I have a lot of work at home. Drop me at home and go to the morgue. Just do as I say. Don't waste more time.
Lourdes Vishalakshi, what have you done? You seem to have destroyed our family. I couldn't help but watch my family fall apart. Oh, Lourdes. I couldn't do anything. Nothing.
You will be able to. You will be able to if you join hands with me.
What do you mean? What exactly have you come to say here?
The meaning is crystal clear, Pratima. Today you must stand by my side.
What made you think that I would agree?
Pratima, this family will be beyond repair if we do not join hands. You do love this family, right? Listen, Pratima, think through what I'm trying to say here. Jasmine has taken control over Dripto by taking advantage of his sickness. Now she will use him to take over the family assets. In order to stop these from happening, we must join hands.
Impossible. It is impossible. I will die but not join hands with you. Moreover, all the assets now belong to Nayan. How will Jasmine take over them?
Yes, but where is Nayan? Where is she? We couldn't trace her despite all our efforts. Apart from this, Deepu and Nayan are divorced. It is not even possible to make him remember. Therefore, in order to safeguard the assets, we must think of another plan, Pratima.
No, Sanjukta. No more plans. Never will I count myself in a plan that includes you. You have always wanted to harm Deepu and Nayan. Since Jasmine is no longer with you, you have come to me for help. Shame on you. But I know exactly the kind of person you are. I know you. I am certain that you will harm Deepu again.
But Pratima...
No, not another word. It would be great if you leave right now. Right now. Listen to one more thing. Never in your life come to me with such fake concerns. Do remember this.
Are you insulting me like this, Pratima?
Yes, I am. Maybe it was needed to insult you with much more intensity. But that does reflect my character. Do remember this, Sanjukta. I will never be a part of your sinister plans as long as I'm alive. Leave right now. Leave right now.
Fine. I'm going. I'm going right now. Do not lose your calm. It's cool. Cool down. Tell me one thing, Pratima. Don't you want your husband to return to you? don't you want your husband to return to you?
What happened? Why are you silent? Words do not seem to come out of your mouth. How will you speak? Your mask just fell off in front of everyone.
Oh, mask! I will remove your mask. Huh? Are you fooling people? Yeah? How dare you lie to us? Yeah? I loved my wife a lot. Then why would I kill her? Tell me. Why would I kill her? Tell me. You are fake. You are lying. It was a mistake to bring my daughter here. I'm taking her.
Dr.
I'm
Devdutt!
taking her.
Guruma! Doctor! Do not let the man escape from you. He will kill his daughter as well if we let him go. Get hold of him. Do not let him escape. Do not let him go.
Hey!
Hey! Where do you think you're running, huh? How dare you call her goddess fake? How dare you raise your voice after killing your own wife? I shall not spare you! I will not spare
Do not
you!
threaten me! I'm warning to all of you! I'm warning to all of you!
Yes. Calm down, everyone. Please calm down. Please calm down. Please be silent. Don't get violent, please. And you. If you are innocent, why are you trying to run away? Why are you trying to escape?
I was running away because of this woman. She's trying to defame me in front of everyone. Whatever she has seen is wrong. It is all a big lie.
What? Do you think that I am lying?
Yes. You're totally lying. Yeah. How can you look back into the past as well as foresee the future? Everything she says is a lie.
All right. Then let's call the police right now. Let the police investigate and find out whether you are telling the truth or she's telling the truth.
Fine. Let the police come. What do you all think? That I am afraid of the police. But now I want to go home. I will never bow down to this fake holy mother. Even if it is to bring back my daughter's speech. Hey, let's go from here.
No, I will not let her go with this man, Guruma. I'm certain that this monster of a man will kill his daughter too. Hey, dear, listen to me. Dear, nothing will happen to you, okay? Do not worry, I'm here. Today you will say whatever you have seen. I know what you have seen, dear. I know it very well. Otherwise, your mother will be very hurt. Please tell the truth.
Hey, I am warning you. Let's go home or else you will suffer too. Let's go.
Everything will be alright. Nothing will happen, my dear. Nothing will happen. I promise no one will be able to
Hey,
harm
will
you.
you come or not?
You will stay with me right here, alright? And you will say what did you see on that day, okay?
Dad killed my mom. He killed my mom. I will say everything. But will he kill me too?
What did you just say? Hey!
This arrogance of you expressed in the front of police. Take him away, lock him up, and inform the police. Go!
Hey, go! Go! Let's go. Give him to the police. Let's go. Hey, go.
Hey, my child, today you have done justice to a heinous crime. So can you look back into the past as well? How can a woman who can foresee the future and look back into the past not be the Lourdes herself? Never say you're no Lourdes. Never, my child, never. Hey everyone, sing the glory to the Lourdes. Sing the glory to the Lourdes. Hail the Lourdes.
Lourdes.
Lourdes Vishalakshi, the trouble seems to have just begun. How shall I get off from this place if all these things continues?
Seeing the current situation, trouble seems to have just begun. The deification of Nayan will now continue at much intense pace. But no matter what, No matter what, I must make the arrangements for the operation of her eyes tonight itself. I must do it.
Come on. Come on, my child. Right here. Sit right here. Yes.
Guruma, please
Yes?
take these garlands off me.
Yes. Yes, my child. I am taking them off. Be patient. Right here. Yes. Just like that. What happened, my child? Why are you so impatient? Oh, I seem to have understood. Is that incident still haunting you? Hey, my child, today you have made everyone spellbound with your divinity, my child. You have the attributes of Lourdes Vishalakshi.
No. Please do not say this, Guruma. It frightens me if you people do this to me. Please.
What fear, my child?
How long will this go, Guruma? I have home, a family and a husband. I must return to them. Please understand.
But, my child, what about all your followers? What about them? Your followers will be left helpless. They will lose all hope. It is because of the Lord that you have arrived at this hermitage. Even a leaf cannot move without the will of Lord. It is all because of Lord's will. There must be some reason why Lord has sent you here.
But Guruma, there is nothing of more priority to me than returning to Dripto. I will not be able to stay here. I must return to Dripto at any cost, Guruma.
Do not be impatient, my child. Lourdes Vishalakshi has blessed you herself. Yes, Lourdes Vishalakshi has given you the divine powers to foresee the future and look back into the past. Do you intend to use all these powers only to save Dripto? You should use these powers to save mankind. You should do Lord's working of helping mankind, my
Even
child.
I wish for the same, Guruma. But right now, I cannot afford to stay here and not visit Dripto. He is unwell. I cannot seem to understand how he is and what situation he is in. I promise I will do as you say. I will abide by whatever you people ask me to do. Please, for once allow me to return to Dripto.
What are you doing, my child? Why are you falling at my feet? If you touch my feet, it will be counted as a sin for me.
Guruma,
Oh, Dr. Devdut, come here.
Guruma, I have to say something important to you.
Okay, what do you want to say?
I have a major operation later. And you know, I perform a ritual before every operation of mine. Therefore, I was thinking this time Nayan should do the rituals. After all, she is a Lourdes.
Hey Sanjukta, wait! What is wrong with you? Can't you listen to what I'm calling you?
Yes, I can. You just sent me away by insulting me. So why are you calling me now?
I am calling you for the last word that you said. What were you saying about my husband? Say it to me clearly.
It will be of no use. You don't trust anything I say. I should be on my way.
No, Sanjukta. I won't let you go unless you say it to me.
Oh, you seem to be very excited. It's nothing important.
You are trying to trick me. You are playing me since I want to know what you have to say. Why are you doing this?
Isn't this the type of behavior expected from me? I want to harm everyone. I want the worst for Deepu, wish the worst for Nayan. I want the worst for everyone in this family. I'm a bad person. So what suddenly makes you think that I will help you?
Why are you straying from the actual topic? Why are you complicating it for nothing?
That's how I am. Isn't this my trait? You just said it yourself. Since I always plot sinister plans. You refuse to join hands with me. Now that you won't join hands with me, why are you asking me about things and following my steps?
Do not talk rubbish, Sanjukta. I have zero interest in following your steps. I am asking you only because I want to know.
So you do agree that people tend to ask for help from other people when in need? In order to restrict Jasmine from taking over the family assets, I needed your help, Pratima, but you refused. But you refused to help me. You made me go away.
Will you or will you not say what information you have? You will have to say it, Sanjukta.
Dr. Devdut was the one to doubt your divinity. But today he himself wants to perform a puja to you. This is all your glory, my child. This is all because of your glory. Such a reputed doctor is seeking your blessings today. Would you want to go despite this, my child? No. I won't let you go, my child. In no way. I will establish a temple in your name at this hermitage. All of us will seek your blessings, oh my child. All of us seek your blessings.
No, this cannot happen. Dr. Devdut cannot do this.
Whatever is happening, let it happen. I promise I'll do the arrangements. I promise I'll make you meet your husband by anyhow.
Please, do not hesitate, my child. Dr. Devdut will start performing the puja tonight. Will you not bless him, my child?
Today I will pray for her. All I ask is for you to have some trust.
Dr. Devdut asked me to have some trust in him. But I wonder what exactly he's up to.